All right, we have a Z train coming. Z is in zebra. Let's enjoy. Hopefully it won't tie down here. A lot of trains tie down here. But if it does, it'll tie down about a half mile past me. We will see. They do a lot of crew changes here, and we're also about 7 miles from the San Bernardino Intermodal hub, so they stop them here and get them in position quite often. It's not going real quick. ES44C4 on the lead. We got an ES44C4 again. An ET44C4 in the fourth. Keep rolling, baby. It's sunrise. Sunday, November 5th. Here's Jabber. Bokes. Ho hum. Yep, another tie down. Oh well. Boop. She's done. Well, the Amtrak should be coming around the corner here any time. I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do. I might make a move up into the Cajon Pass and not risk missing it, or I can stay here and take a chance that it's not gonna be too late. There's another track on the other side that's blocked from here, so it's not the greatest place to film when there's a tie down. All right, anyway, thanks for watching. Watch a couple more. We love you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. All the birds up on top of the grain elevator. All right, guys, love you. Talk to you soon.